on the ground! Get on the ground! Put your hands behind your back! Put them behind your back! You'll never run from me, dude! You'll never outrun me on a motorcycle! Never! Never! Get out! Get out! You're trying to outrun us!
Freaking come down!
I apologize, bro.
You'll never outrun me!
Bro.
Never! Clear Channel Central here in custody.
Y'all did a good job, boy.
Well, I ride for a living. Spread your legs.
You do this.
Spread your legs.
Yes, sir.
There you go.
My bad, brothers and bros. Brothers and bros, my bad.
Turn around. You'll never outrun me, bro.
I sure did.
On foot, on bike, on nothing.
Nothing. You got me.
Get your ID on you?
No, sir.
What's your name?
Dominic Higgins. I'm y'all brother, man.
Stand
I'm
up,
y'all
stand
brother.
up, stand up, stand up, stand up.
I'm y'all brother, y'all bro, man. What's up, bro?
Turn around, let me check this.
I'm family, man.
You know who you look like?
I'm family. I'm family, bro. I put on for our community.
How do you spell dominant?
D-O-M-I-N-I-Q-U-E H-I-C-K-U-Y.
Slow down.
Slow down.
D-O-M-I-N-I-Q-U-E H-I-C-K-U-Y.
I can't understand you, man.
Well, y'all did a good job. D-O-M-I-N-I-Q-U-E H-I-C-K-U-Y. Yeah. Boy, y'all don't play.
Your traffic is real rough, so that's why I was trying to call it as much.
Pick my bike up for me, bro. No, that's why I told y'all, hey, just call it.
Yeah.
You ain't play. I ain't play no game.
Who car is that?
That's my right there.
Let me put him in your car.
Yep. Ain't mine.
I know. Watch your head.
This me. Damn.
We just went on a call from him this morning.
Damn.
Well, I've had contact with him before.
That is
Hey, you know what? Hold on. Take him out. Take him out. Take him out. Take him out again. Come back out the car. Pat him down again. It's your car.
Nobody hurt me.
Run, boy. Huh? Yeah. Hey, appreciate y'all.
Yeah, dude.
Appreciate you.
Anything? Is that car good?
It's stolen. Oh, his?
Yeah.
We probably had it.
Man, that's good riding on a motorcycle.
Appreciate you, brother. Appreciate you. It may better drive out. If not,
Like damage-wise, I didn't know if you needed me to do anything.
I think damage-wise we're good. Who car is this? Hey, Chad, this yours, brother? You think you can back up out here? I think we.
Almost.
You might need some logs.
Some logs might help.
Yeah,
It's all-wheel drive.
I just damage if there's any damage.
I don't think there's no damage.
That's what y'all handle it.
Yeah.
You want to try to back it out?
Hold on a second, Chad. You good? Go right. Go. Keep going back, bro. All right. Let me move this little stake back here behind you.
Is this car in your way?
Huh? Who car is that?
That's ours.
Look at the bottom.
Yeah, it's been like that.
Oh, okay.
It's been like that.
All right.
I saw that earlier this morning.
Okay, good.
I don't have his date of birth, but it's Dominique Hickey.
Yeah, he told us Dominique something.
Yeah, Hickey.
All right. Well, what's this car stolen out of?
It's stolen out of Little Rock.
I think downtown.
It was off of Barber Street. We've been looking for this truck for like freaking 2 hours, 3 hours. And so,
I had 18 miles to empty. I was so glad he nined out.
oh no.
Out of all days, I don't have gas.
Well, I was just telling him, I was over there trying to get here, and by the time he picked it up, I saw, like, sit down!
Were you right behind me? This almost happened. Dude, I
I
blocked
saw
my
you
brake.
come into there.
Well, I locked my
No,
brakes.
one of y'all keying up?
This driver's on barely driving.
He probably want to let the insurance handle that. Yeah, no pat. No. Boy, you was right there, boy.
I was with you. I-30.
I-30, right here. Access road before. I don't know what's that road right here called?
That one right there.
Yeah.
So that is just like a drive.
We're trying to get a tow truck.
Tell them the 120 exit 124 eastbound.
Tell 124 eastbound 30.
30.
Yeah, this whole patch needs to be ASD is a fucking joke.
Oh,
Because then we're trying to operate two channels and nobody knows what to do.
When you passed me at Miami Ridge, I was like, ain't no way I just seen a dude on a motorcycle in Little Rock chasing this mother.
We saw the second.